To change your Facebook account password is actually very simple. So the first thing you need to do is go to our web browser, and then you want to go to facebook.com. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and sign into your Facebook account just as you normally would. You'll then be taken to the Facebook homepage. From here, we need to select our account icon in the top right hand corner, then click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. You will then be taken to the back end of your Facebook profile. From here, you want to select Security and Login on the left hand side menu, and here you want to scroll down slightly to where it says Login, and then you want to select Change Password. From here, you just want to enter in your current password in the top box, and then you want to enter in your new password below. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass Password Manager to generate and store my new password. If you're looking for a password manager you can use on all of your devices, you can get 50% off NordPass with the link in the description. So once you're ready, you want to click on Save Changes, and your Facebook password will be successfully changed. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.